Look in the distance, it's raining. Have you ever seen rain like that? That was way cool. And now you're going to wait and wait and wait and try to get it again. And it's not going to go. And then you shut the camera off and it's gonna, you're gonna have lightning again. Lightning is such an elusive son of a bitch. I should close my windows so I don't get lightning coming through.
I guess. I saw it not through the camera lens, but I saw it. So it had to be there.
Ever see a rainbow like that one? Wow.
It's just a little section of it, but it's
yeah.
Right.
Yeah. See that? Wow. That is the coolest rainbow effect I've ever seen. That is incredible. All because we stopped at the Petrified Forest. Fucking cool. Oh, that's one of the neatest things I've ever seen. That is totally wild.
It's getting bigger.
Yeah, it is. It is.
It's growing as we
It's growing because the rain is... Oh, man. Look at that. Now, that's a phenomenon. If there was, they could pass me. It was a bike. It was a truck. Too cool. Way too cool. Never seen anything like that one before. It's one of the most nifty things. I think it's disappearing now compared to what it was, but wow.
The camera doesn't pick up the full rainbow.
No, but since you zoomed in on the bright spot, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a second one.
Oh yeah. I can see it now.
Got it on the film? Got it on the camera?
Seem to show it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that now. On the bridge. When we're on the bridge, you should see. Should be good. Now the second one is gone now. There's a raven. That raven looks hungry. No, that raven looks fat. What's food? Yeah, I see that. As if he doesn't get enough already. Yeah. We got some stormy weather. We got some sun shining right here at the moment. We got some rain over there, and the sun shining through the clouds right here. It does look good.
Fat quick.
Feckwick.
Fat wick. Fat wig.